Using your KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder attachment. Secure the assembled attachment onto the hub of your stand mixer. Choose your blade and slide it into the attachment housing until it clicks into place. Cut your ingredients to fit inside the feed tube and turn your stand mixer to speed 4. Use the slicing blade for ingredients such as cucumbers, carrots, cabbage, zucchini, and potatoes. Easily switch from slicing to shredding. Press the release lever to remove the slicing blade. Then insert the shredding blade of your choice. The medium shredding blade is great for ingredients such as cheese, cauliflower, beets, and carrots. Or use the coarse shredding blade for zucchini, potatoes, and cheese. When shredding, any leftover ingredients can be added back into the feed tube to process. The Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder Attachment from KitchenAid.